This is a conscious walk through nature. And how do we do this? We take one step at a time. And we start walking slowly. And we become aware of each step we take. We feel how the feet touches the earth. And by sensing into the feeling how the feet touches the earth, we connect to the earth itself. By becoming aware of how our face touches the sky, the air, and through the air, the sky. And when we perceive how our eyes touch the sky and the earth, we also connect to the sky. And we feel now connected to the earth, downstairs, and to the sky, wide open. We continue walking and we look around to the plants and the birds that are already awakened. And with our eyes, we touch what is here around us. And we can also touch the plant that is there and feel the leaf. Just feel, or maybe close your eyes and feel. And by doing so, we also connect to the woods where the plants and everything beautiful are. And we are now connected to the earth at the bottom, to the sky at the top, and to the trees and plants in the woods, and also the width we see. And when we connect to all that, we may realize that our conscious field expands. We feel more wide and open and even more complete. When you just feel into yourself and just are yourself, you are not complete. You are separated. There's something missing. And now we disconnected from our separation. And we became one again with the environment. And now we feel complete. Connect with the environment when you are out there. When you are walking through the street and you see some trees Connect with them. Connect with the earth on your walking and connect with the sky. Feel how the air touches your face and how your eyes touch the sky. And you are there again. You are one with nature. Enjoy your life. Enjoy life.